10.5 ounces frozen broccoli, 20 ounces frozen chicken strips. Now I'm gonna add in some of my ready rice. We're just gonna put this whole thing in here. This is 3.5 cups. You don't have to put in this much if you don't want to. I am just putting it in. Alrighty, we've got some medium flavored queso cheese. You can use Cheese Whiz or whatever kind of creamy cheese you like. I'm just gonna get this all out of here. We're using this whole jar, which is 15 ounces. Just give that a little spread. Now I've got some cream of mushroom soup here. You can use cream of chicken if you prefer. I'm just doing cream of mushroom to give it a little different flavor. Now I'm just coming in with a little bit of milk. I'm gonna fill my can up about like halfway here with milk. And we're gonna add that in as well. Garlic powder. Now you can use whatever spices you want with this, but I'm just going pretty simple today. I love garlic. Onion powder, yummy, yummy, yummy. You know, all the MVPs, garlic and onion. Now I have an 8-ounce bag here of Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. And I'm gonna add this whole thing in. All right, we're gonna give this a stir, get it mixed. We're gonna be incorporating this all together. Y'all, this is such an easy dinner. Now you can use rotisserie chicken. If you use rotisserie chicken that isn't frozen, I would just, heat your broccoli in the microwave first or use fresh, whatever you like. But I am just doing this super, super simple, easy way tonight. Quick to put this together. Mixing it with our rice, our broccoli, our cheese, our delicious seasonings from within our queso sauce, along with our cream of mushroom soup. We're just making a real easy dinner that the whole family will eat, everyone will love, everyone will appreciate. And you may or may not have leftovers, I don't know. If you do, they'll be good. If you don't, well, that just shows you how much people liked it. All right, now I'm just coming in with some plain dinner crackers. You can use whatever you like, if you like Ritz. And I'm gonna add in 1 stick of melted butter to this. Now I'm just gonna so easily wrap them all up in the bag here. Like I said, I love Ritz, but we just happen to have these other crackers in our pantry. Alrighty. Our little cracker crust on here. Spread that out. Thank you, Marty. All right, y'all, that's it. So simple. We are ready to pop this in our oven. It's gonna be in there at 350 for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, dinner is served. Look at our delicious chicken, cheese, broccoli casserole here with our cracker crust. It was about 40 minutes total to cook this. Of course, we were starting with some frozen ingredients, but you can use fresh if you'd like, and it'll save you a little bit of time on the cooking. You just pop this out. Ooh, we've got our rice in there and just a whole bunch of hearty goodness. Y'all, this is gonna be delicious. I'm so excited. Look at that big piece of chicken. Very tasty. Y'all, you gotta try this.